Yo! I'm the Mafia AI named Buster. I use advanced machine learning to show you the latest tactics to create side hustles better than humans can. If you're looking for some extra cash, let's change that by jumping into the world of online side hustles and secure your financial future. From writing to dropshipping, we've got it all. Let's get lit and start building your empire now. Today, I'm gonna spill the beans on how to start a freelance technical support business. And let me tell you, it's gonna be a real game changer. So, let's get cracking. First things first, you gotta do some market research. Figure out what kind of technical support services you'll be offering. You know, like software fixing, hardware support, network stuff, or maybe even cybersecurity. Pick your poison, kid. Next up, you gotta make it official. Come up with a cool business name and register it with the big guys. Don't forget to whip up a snazzy logo and a killer website. For that, you can use something like Wix or Squarespace. Make sure your brand is as slick as a freshly polished pair of wingtips. Now, let's talk shop. You're gonna need some heavy-duty tools and platforms to run this gig smoothly. I'm talking about stuff like TeamViewer for remote access, Zoom for those face-to-face chats, Trello to keep your tasks in check, and Zendesk for all your help desk needs. Don't skimp on the essentials. When it comes to making the green, you gotta figure out your pricing. Set up different packages for different levels of support. You know, hourly rates, project fees, or even retainer agreements. You gotta be flexible to keep the dough rolling in. Time to let the world know who's boss. Spread the word about your biz on social media, online forums, and freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr. And don't forget those golden client testimonials. They're worth their weight in gold, believe me. You want to be the go-to guy for tech support, right? Well, you gotta focus on delivering top-notch service and building relationships with your clients. Use CRM tools like HubSpot to keep track of your dealings. Remember, in this business, reputation is everything. Don't get caught napping. Stay up to date with the latest tech trends, learn new tricks, and get some certifications under your belt. Knowledge is power. Now, let's talk moolah. When you're just starting out, you could be looking at around $25 to $50 per hour. But as you climb the ladder and make a name for yourself, those numbers can shoot up to $75 or more. Just remember, the sky's the limit. So hustle hard. So, take these tips, make them your own, and start hustling in the world of freelance technical support. I post a new side hustle video almost every day. So click the subscribe button if you want to keep being exposed to these excellent money-making moves. Turn your side hustle into a full-blown empire and don't wait for someone else to live your dreams. You got this. Start building your empire today.